Greetings everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, I haven't posted anything in a while, but for this vlog, I'm gonna show you how I went for a solo trip to Bangkok, Thailand. Since I was coming from Guam, in which there was no direct flight to Bangkok, I spent 3 hours of flight from Guam to Manila with a 4 to 6 hour layover there, then another 3 hours flying to the city of destination, which is Bangkok. So I was like spending one whole day of traveling in the air, and I already arrived at the astonishing city at nighttime. I think of it also as a good thing because I was able to witness all the pretty city lights in a bird's eye view perspective while the aircraft I was in was descending. The condominium I stayed at is a 4-star condo called 39 Boulevard Executive Residences at Sukhumvit, which is just 1 kilometer away BTS from Phong Station. BTS, or Bangkok Mass Transit System, or also called the SkyTrain, is the city's famous mode of transportation because of convenience to avoid the city traffic. The condo I stayed at looks really nice with bathtub and rooftop pool with a beautiful city view both daytime and nighttime. It's perfect for tourists. I booked the place at AirBnb and you can also check it by clicking the link in the description box below. My first day there was all about having my drone registered and shopping for some clothes. Before flying your drones out there, you should have your drone registered at NBTC, or Office of the National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Commission, or the CAAT, or Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. If not done, you could face a 5-year jail term or a fine of up to 100,000 Thai baht. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to fly my drone too due to lack of time. By the way, I mentioned shopping because Bangkok is also known for stylistic fashion clothing at a cheap price, so never go to Bangkok without buying some clothes.
Thank you.
My second day was about roaming around and admiring the beautiful architectural structures of the temples in Bangkok. I took some photos and you can also check them on my Instagram at Mariela Lapid. I wish I was able to film some cinematic shots, but I wasn't able to because taking photos alone with my tripod was already too much for me because of the heat. Luckily, I was able to meet up with Kate, one of my longtime online friends from Tumblr who lives in Thailand, to take me to places and help me with taking photos.
Day 3.
Hello everyone, I'm here at the King Tower Mahanakhon building, and we are going to try the observatory and rooftop. We are going to try the skywalk. I already got tickets, I'm just waiting for my minute.
1 eternity later.
She's already here now. Hello! Okay.
Thank you. Please scan your bag on the left-hand side.
So this is the third day and this is one of my favorite part of the trip.
Napod ka.
This part of the building has that spaceship vibes, and I feel like I'm ready for some space exploration. By the way, beware of my laughs and giggles because this place is really amusing.
May ano screen siya.
Put on the shoe.
The 78th-floor building was built in 2016 and it is the highest building in Thailand, Bangkok's highest glass skywalk, world's largest glass tray, and it is the highest peak in Bangkok with a height of 314 meters above.
So here we are at the rooftop. So this is the highest.
For your information guys, I have fear of heights, so going to this glass skywalk is a big challenge for me. But as I always say, fear is good because you know you are in a place of growth.
Three days later. 3 weeks later.
Picture na dyan.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Kaban na ba tayo?
Mahulog doon. Mahulog doon siya doon. Wala naman sa ano. Wala naman. Dito lang.
And that's the summary of my solo trip to Bangkok, Thailand. It is so fulfilling to travel solo in an unfamiliar place. You leave all the worries and stress of everyday life behind. You just look forward to what is being unfolded. You learn new things, and it feeds your soul. For more contents, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button. If you like this video, I would love it if you would click the like button. What part of the trip do you like the most? Comment it down below.